Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the facial cleanup at home. First step, you have to clean the face with the face cleanser, or you can use the rose water. Rose water is a great cleanser. It will help you to remove all the dirt and oil from your skin. It's very good to reduce acne. Second step, you will take the scrub and take the water bowl beside you. Before you start scrubbing, dip your hands in the water bowl, make it wet and start scrubbing. All the stroke which you are using for the scrub, it should be upwards, and please be very soft and gentle on the screen. Always use facial scrub when you do the facials. Facial scrubs are very soft. It will not hurt your skin. Facial scrub, when you are doing it, it will help you to remove all the dead cells from your facial skin. It has anti-aging and acne fighting ingredients. The process as a result gives you healthier and younger looking skin. Men can greatly benefit by exfoliation, which helps in softening and toning your skin, along with removing grime and dirt. Face scrub repairs your skin by rejuvenating your skin cell, reduces acne, breakouts, and eventually gives you a spot-free, clear skin. A face scrub is as essential for men as it is for women. Facial scrubs are important to keep the skin pores clean and skin problems away. So always try to do the facial cleanup or facial once in a month at least. You can do twice in a month, so that your skin will be healthy and spotless. If you feel it's dry, your scrub, dip your hands in the water and start scrubbing again. Please be very soft and gentle, and you have to do the scrubbing at least 3 to 5 minutes. You may feel it is very fast because I fast forwarded my video, so that I will not take your time. When you do, please do it very soft and very slow and gentle. In the video it's showing very fast, but it is not. After finishing 3 to 5 minutes of massage with the scrub, please clean with the cotton towel. Keep the water bowl beside you and clean the face with the cotton cloth or cotton handkerchief. As you see in the video, I'm going to clean the face with the cotton cloth. After cleaning the face, you have to give steam. You have to give the steam at least 5 to 10 minutes. Clean it very nicely. When you clean the face, be very gentle. don't press it very harsh because you have scrub in it. Steam will help you for cleansing. It promotes blood circulation. It releases acne causing bacteria and cells. It releases trapped sebum. It's hydrating. It helps your skin better absorb skincare product. It promotes collagen and elastin. It's soothing. So after steam, you can remove the whiteheads and blackheads from your nose area or chin area, wherever you feel you have the blackheads and whiteheads. After removing blackheads and whiteheads, please spray rose water and apply the moisturizer and start doing the massage until it gets dry. Moisturizer is very important. It will fight wrinkles. It will help your skin stay young. Moisturizing can reduce the appearance of other blemishes. So after moisturizer, I applied face mask. Face masks are a great addition to any skincare routine. Face masks can help hydrate skin, remove excess oil, and help improve the appearance of pores while providing a relaxing experience at home. Keep this face mask at least for 15 to 20 minutes after you apply until it gets dry. Always apply a face mask to clean dry skin so that you are not layering a face mask over dirt, and the benefits of the face mask depend on the ingredients they provide. Apply all over your face evenly and leave it to dry nearly 15 to 20 minutes. After drying, take the cotton cloth and dip it into the clean water and wipe it off. After applying the face mask, I left it for drying. It got dried now. I'm going to clean it with the cotton cloth, cotton handkerchief. And when the face mask is going to dry, please avoid speaking, or else you may get wrinkles on your skin. It's better when it's going to dry, you have to avoid talking. Avoid talking to anyone. Just relax until you clean it up. So here is the final result. You can see his skin is clean and soft and glowing. You can try this at home, and if you guys like it, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you with a new video.